Hi, I'm Som. I live in Brooklyn and I love biking to work. Except for this one stretch, it's agony. Every day I see riders like me just looking miserable going up that hill. Other than that, it's the best part of my day. I am a design technologist. I've worked on the future of urban mobility at MIT's Media Lab. I know this is an important problem to solve. Bike commuting has a measurable impact on riders, communities, and the environment. But no one wants to work up a sweat on the way to work. Effort is a key pain point for bike commuters worldwide. No solution approaches this problem from the commuter's point of view. Electric bike upgrades are either too expensive and permanent or too cumbersome and heavy. So this past year, I co-founded Clip with my friend Clem, a global operations expert. We interviewed hundreds of commuters as we designed, built, and tested our alpha prototype. We understand that to make biking effortless, we need a solution that's inexpensive and will fit any bike. The solution must be portable and lightweight, so it can easily be tossed in a purse or a backpack after every use, and recharged quickly. Imagine if all of us bike to work just twice a week. The carbon impact would be like taking 50,000 cars off of our streets. We need your help to finish building our MVP and to test with more commuters. Join us in bringing Clip to the world.